Hey, welcome back, Commercial Finance Experts. My name is Sue Chung, and I'm the founder and creator of Commercial Financing Experts Academy. We've got a friend, colleague here, Haibo, back again to talk about the development game that we're playing. Hey, you know what? Game of life. Development is part of the game of life. So I've been enjoying the ride with you, and you know what? I've always wondered why you started doing this, and what's the reason for you doing this, Haibo? Because you had a nice job, Ellen too, right?
Yeah.
And Ellen had a nice job. Am I supposed to tell everybody that you're married? Oh man! Sorry guys, sorry ladies. You know this developer, this rising superstar developer is off the market. So why did you get involved in the development game? I mean, you had a nice cushy job and you're making good money, and same with your wife.
Yeah. Well, I think after my school, I started working as for land development for the developers.
Yeah.
And in Kelowna for 2 years, and then I moved to Surrey for another 2 years.
Yeah.
I saw all my clients. They come to our office for land development.
Yeah.
The land they bought, when they bought it like years ago.
Yeah.
They don't know anything. They are like Earth. They
don't know nothing.
And they come us and do development, and then they make money. Then I start to feel, okay, he can do it. Maybe I should try that as well. Yeah, that's maybe.
That, I don't know whether it's a Western culture, but that's an Asian mentality.
Yeah.
If they can do it, maybe I can too.
Yeah, maybe I should try that.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. I mean, but seriously.
Yeah.
You know the setback, you know the challenges. Before you even got involved, you knew the challenges. You see it every day, right? In the last several years.
Yeah.
They all go like through hurdles, and it's like, headaches. The builder ripping his hair out. You know, I'm losing my hair, right?
Yeah, developers. Really challenging to put their jobs.
Yeah.
The first project I was involved in Kelowna, the developer was stuck in the project for 5 years. And
5 years.
And he still had to pay the mortgage, pay the engineering fee to finish the work. Yeah. But that's also the beauty part of the developer. You invest more, you take more risk, but you gain more profit at the end.
That is a beautiful part of it. More risk means more returns. I agree, and it should be that way.
Yeah.
Right.
Also, like as a developer compared to engineer, it's a different lifestyle.
How so?
Yeah, like a developer, you need to know everybody. You need to know like a mortgage broker like Swa.
Yeah.
So he can help you find money.
Yeah.
You need to know engineer.
You definitely need someone like me.
Yeah, for sure. That's the most important part. Yeah, you need to know engineer. You need to know the city person. You need to know some knowledge about the zonings, and you need to know good builders.
Yeah.
So like by doing this, you know more people. You have your own team built up.
Yeah.
And then you have different projects, different backgrounds, different group of people, which is kind of attract me.
Yeah.
I feel interesting in that way.
You are the expert connector, a real estate expert connector. That's what you are. You connect these people together.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Right? Thanks. Yeah, that's the word. Yeah. And then you need no realtor to help you sell.
Yeah.
So it's like a coordinator, or it's like a platform. You bring everybody in a team.
That's right.
So everybody works together and finish the field construction and sell the house.
So it's great that the projects are doing well, and even the worst one, you're making money when you walk away. But what's the end game? What is it that you really want out of this? Is it about the money, or what is it? What drives you?
Money is one part, but not the most important one.
Yeah.
Most important one is just lifestyle, I think.
Okay.
And also the people I met.
Yeah.
Because you are as a person, you have to get in touch with society.
Yeah.
So you get good friends, and then you grow, and then you work together, you grow together, then you make money together. That's really really nice.
That's the cool part of it, right? Yeah. And I mean, I agree. I feel good about it when I help you make money. Like the project even recent, say, you make that much money. Yeah, I was happy. I was part of it. I made nothing out of it except for the commission, but it's like you made a huge chunk, and I was like, I was part of that.
You feel like you feel good.
Yeah.
Like you did something great, and then the house you develop it, and it was there forever. You did it.
Yeah. Your contribution back to the
contribution.
community.
Yeah, and then your family are proud of you, and all your friends, and they might want to join you. Yeah, to grow. Yeah.
That is really cool. It is. I guess that's really one way of giving back to the community, right?
Exactly.
And you feel like you're part of Canada because you're providing people for a family to start that home, start the family.
Yeah. And then all the friends you have, no matter what kind of position, what kind of opportunity, work they're doing, then you can work together with them
and help them improve their life too.
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that's a really good motivation.
Yeah. So how are we gonna go? How are we gonna grow from here? What are we gonna do next?
Well, since once I almost finished my Chihuahua project, so we need a developer. You always need to think ahead, think what's going on in the market.
That's right.
What's my next project?
Yeah.
Am I going to do another single family or maybe the other options?
Yeah.
Then I have to think about how much resources I have.
That's right.
And what's the market going on? Which is the most profitable project?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not single family. Then we
Okay.
should think about maybe townhouses.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then that way more flexible
Yeah.
and cheaper build. Then you have more way to deal with if the market is not good.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're having a chat about that. So having and that probably a big impact to the community too, right? Because providing multiple homes instead of one single family home or two,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
On the same lot that provides 2 houses, now you build 4 or maybe more.
Yeah. Make the house more affordable, and then so the community has people have a place to live.
Yeah.
Either they buy or rent.
I love it. I love the way you think, Haibo. It's not just making more money, but it's like, how can I contribute back to the community so that I'm not, making it impossible for them to move in, to be a owner, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's great that the single family homes are going up in price, but it's like, if I have to increase my resales value to get the profit that I want, that's gonna put out of reach of most families.
Yeah, exactly. It's like
so townhouses, great. Yeah.
I don't really like. For me, I personally don't really like the market to go too fast.
Yeah.
Because it's not good for developer and not good for the community. It's not sustainable.
That's surprisingly right. Most of the general public, and I bet you most of the mortgage brokers think the opposite. We're going, developers making a killing, the housing price going up like crazy. They probably love it. They're raking in the money. But that's not it, because they can't control the cost.
Yeah,
they
it's
can't.
no more uncertainty than in a slower in a fair market.
Yeah.
So that way everybody is more reasonable.
Yeah.
You can more control of all the process. Yeah. Even though the margin is less, but it's more safe, and then you have more control.
Makes sense too. Makes sense too, because it's a certainty, right?
Yeah.
It's better for a developer to have some certainty in their projections and the plans, rather than having erratic jumps and drops that goes along with that. Right?
Exactly, because you build a house, the city was growing, the community is growing, people will buy. Just the matter of the timing. But if the price is stable, then we can picture, we can predict what's gonna happen. We can predict our profit, our cost. If it's going wild, you might start in the high point, then you finish in the low point, then you lose money.
That's true.
Yeah.
But having a developer, a builder, or project manager connected with heart, to help to do this in this kind of business, because in real estate it's all about money, they say, right?
Yeah.
But having someone who's got a good heart to come into this industry and contributing what you're doing, Haibo, is of tremendous value, and I think that many more builders and developers should have that same mentality. It's like, yes, we can make some profit. Yes, we make a little bit more, but I'm actually happy if we don't make more than what we expected.
Yeah. You have to be sustainable for the
sustainability.
Yeah, for the community. Otherwise, nobody gonna say if you overheat the price, then people couldn't survive there, and then they're gonna move away.
And that's exactly what's happening in downtown in the Vancouver area. They're moving away because of the huge cost.
They couldn't survive. Then you have to move to other cities.
That's right.
Then you have no more jobs. Then you become jobless.
That's going to be a self-fulfilling prophecy of too expensive to live there.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
You know what? I look forward to our next project together, and I believe your goals resonates with what I feel, and I want to contribute back to the community in whatever ways I want to as well. However I can to help families and grow up to have a nice house over their head like we did when we had a chance to grow up, right?
Yeah.
Back in Asia, that's very difficult, right?
Exactly,
it's so much different. I mean, everybody dreams of having ownership of land there too, right?
Yeah.
But so far to reach. But here, it's very possible.
Yeah, it's much more possible than
It's very cool. I look forward to our future projects here, Haibo, and thank you again for coming to having me in this video.
Yeah.
Guys, one thing you take away from this is that it's not about the money in real estate. It's about other things that are more important to us. And like what Haibo said, it's great that I make 50,000, 35,000, but at the end of the day, I just want to contribute back to the community. I want to have a legacy to leave behind. I did it. Yeah. I got people into the house and all. I made an affordable house, and it was put a lot of love into building it. And I don't cut corners, and I made sure it's a nice place, and yet families can be able to live in it, be sustainable enough to grow up, and the families can stay there and work there.
Yeah, exactly.
So, very cool. You like the videos? Click like. You subscribe to the channel. You get my automated updates down the road, guys. If you have questions, just comment below. Take care. Have yourself an awesome one. Bye bye.